Can you solve this 2025 hard P6 Term 1 weighted assessment question? And the question goes, the diagram below shows 6 identical rectangles in a large rectangle ABCD. Given that AB is equal to 19 centimeters and BC is equal to 26 centimeters, find the area of the shaded part. So in this case, the first step when you see this kind of figure is to label the length and breadth of the white rectangles. So let L be the length and let B be the breadth. So now if you were to zoom it in and I have the L to be red and B to be green so it's easier to see. So first we know the length of the figure is 19 centimeters. And 19 centimeters is also consists of one length and one breadth of the white rectangle. So that means we can go to step 2, which is to create the equations. So that means length plus breadth is equal to 19 centimeters. So the next step is that we know the breadth of the figure is 26 centimeters. And you probably know where I'm going to go towards to, which is basically 26 centimeters is equal to 1 length plus 1, 2, and 3 breadth. So we can write down length plus 3 breadth is equal to 26 centimeters. Then from here, we actually can find out what is 1 breadth. So we can actually minus these two equations by just minusing both of the equation that looks something like a working, and then L minus L, we will get nothing, and then we'll move to 3B minus B, we'll get 2B. And the next one, 26 centimeters minus 19 centimeters is equal to 7 centimeters. Since we know 2B is equal to 7 centimeters, then 1B or B is 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5 centimeters. Since we know the breadth of B, then we can get L or the length of the rectangle, which is basically L is equal to 19 minus B, and this will equal to 15.5 centimeters. So from here, we already know the length and breadth of the white rectangles. We can go to step 3, which is to solve this. So to get the area of one white rectangle, we will have 3.5 times 15.5, which will give us 54.25 centimeter square. Then we will get the area of the 6 white rectangles, which is basically 6 times 1 white rectangle, which is 325.5 centimeters square. And lastly, the question asks for the area of the shaded part. So we also need to get the area of the figure, which is basically 494 centimeters square. From here, we can just minus the area of the figure with the 6 white rectangles to get the shaded part, which is equal to 168.5 centimeters square. And that's how you solve this hard question.